Zeekers, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started on eBay, you know that Black Friday and Cyber Monday are two of the biggest shopping events of the year. This year, Black Friday lands on November 29th and Cyber Monday follows on December 2nd. Now, these dates are not just regular shopping days. They are a massive opportunity to increase your sales, reach new customers, and make the most of the busiest season in online retail. For eBay sellers like you, these events are golden opportunities. Shoppers are out there hunting for amazing deals, particularly in categories like electronics, tech gadgets, and gift items. And the best part is that buyers are ready to spend and they're looking for online sellers who have what they need. So the potential to boost your revenue is huge. That is why in today's video, I'm going to guide you through step by step on how to prepare your eBay store for this sales frenzy. We're going to cover everything you need to know to capitalize on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. That means updating your eBay store banner with a fresh and festive look using Canva, sourcing high-demand electronics to list, and leveraging powerful promotional tools to attract those deal-hungry shoppers. It doesn't matter if your eBay store is small with selling limits or you've got a larger store with more flexibility, because this guide will help you maximize your potential no matter where you are in your eBay selling journey. So if you're ready to turn your eBay store into a Black Friday and Cyber Monday powerhouse, let's jump into it. So let's talk about updating your eBay store banner for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So first things first, around 48 hours before these two holidays start, you can give your eBay store a fresh Black Friday and Cyber Monday look. We are going to do this using Canva, which is free, super easy, and it's a tool for designing banners. Okay, let's go into Canva. So once you log into Canva, you can create a custom banner. You can actually select the size of this banner, which for eBay stores would be 1,280 by 290 pixels. In Canva, search for Black Friday or Cyber Monday templates. They have a ton of professional designs ready to go. Simply take one, customize the text with your store name, logo, adjust the colors, and you're done. Now you upload it to your eBay store, and boom, your store has a festive, sale-ready look. Yeah, it's that easy. Your store now visually reflects the exciting sales event, and it became much more captivating for your buyers. Okay, another tip, list electronics and check reviews. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors for a successful Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, product selection. So you want to be strategic here. Electronics are some of the hottest selling items during these events. Whether it's gadgets, accessories, or tech devices, electronics have huge potential because shoppers are actively looking for deals on these products. However, choosing the right electronic is crucial. You don't want to list anything. You want to make sure that the items you select are not only in demand, but also well-reviewed and reliable. Why? Because you don't want to risk returns and negative feedback on the sale, especially during such a busy time. When you think you found a winning product, start by heading over to the big retail site like Amazon or Walmart. Both are great sources for product reviews. Now, what are you looking for? Look for consistency, positive reviews. Products with this kind of review history are a good sign that customers are happy with the purchase, and you're more likely to make sales without issues. So when you're checking out these reviews, don't just focus on the star rating. Also read through the comments. You want to know why people are rating the product the way that they are. Are customers raving about the sound quality, battery life, or durability? Great. That's something you can highlight in your product description. But if you see repeated complaints about a specific problem, like the battery dying too quickly or a speaker breaking after just a few uses, well, that's a red flag. It's better to avoid listing those products even if they seem popular at first glance. If your eBay account has low selling limits, you might want to be very selective with the items you choose. This is where Zeek Analytics comes in handy. It's a tool that helps you find winning products quickly. So let me show you how you can do that in just a few seconds. So once you're logged on to Zeek Analytics, head over to the category research tool. Since we're focusing on electronics for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, from here, scroll down until you see consumer electronics and select any subcategory of your choice. The tool will then show you the hottest selling products in each subcategory selected. So let's go ahead and find two great items from either Amazon or Walmart. So in this case, we will select the virtual reality. The point of using the category research is for you to have an idea of the products that are the best sellers. So once we find a product that is selling well, such as this one, which looks like a good product and without any Vero signs. So I can click on the product and I will go to this selling page on eBay. So now we've found this product with good selling potential, especially during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. We can go ahead and try to find the same or similar products at a better price on Amazon or Walmart. So the seller on eBay was selling the product for $45.99, and he sold this item 106 times since it was listed on eBay. Now, after using Zeek Analytics to find a product similar to this one that also comes with a remote and has the same qualities, I discovered a great item I can source and list on my eBay dropshipping store. So as you can see, this item sold for $16.99. What I will do now is add this item to my eBay dropshipping store and create a title similar to the competitors. By doing this, I can appear in the same search results with the competitor, and by pricing my item slightly lower than the competitor, I can be visible with a more attractive offer. That's it. So simple. By using this method to understand the best selling niches on eBay, I can fill my dropshipping store with products that have high market demand. Easy, right? All right, before we dive into the next step, if you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. I am always sharing tips and strategies to help you grow your eBay business, especially during these big sales events. Also, if you have any questions or want more detailed advice, I don't care. No, just kidding. Feel free to comment below. We love reading your comments, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, let's get back to preparing your store for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, for those of you with higher selling limits, you can leverage Zeek Analytics Autopilot tool. Now, this feature is fantastic for finding many profitable items in seconds. It's truly a game changer, transforming the lives of many sellers by giving them more time to focus on business growth instead of spending hours searching for items to sell. With Autopilot, you simply set your criteria such as price range, category, and item condition, and it will automatically generate a list of products that meet those criteria. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I will first go to Autopilot, which is available in the enterprise plan of Zeek Analytics, and click Start New Scan. Here are the filters I would recommend for easy Black Friday and Cyber Monday product sourcing. For the supplier, you can choose Amazon, Walmart, or even AliExpress. But in this case, I will go with Amazon for this example. The name, let's name it Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Fulfillment. Choose Prime only or fulfilled by Walmart if sourcing from Walmart. And then competition 0 to 15. Then you have sales minimum of 6 in the past 30 days. Price minimum of $15 so we can get some margin from the items we are sourcing. Sales date range 30 days. Number of products maximum 200. In the categories, I will choose popular Black Friday and Cyber Monday categories, adding mostly products from high searched categories such as all electronics, appliances, car electronics, cell phones and accessories, home and kitchen, home audio and theater, office products, portable audio and accessories, sports and outdoors, tools and home improvement, toys and games. Lastly, I will click save and create the scan. Now from there, I can see products that match our criteria I added in the filters, and Zeke will find the exact or a similar item from the supplier. What I need to do is choose which products I want to add to my store. After that, I can click Upload Selected or Upload All to list the products directly to AutoDS using the integration of AutoDS with Zeke Analytics. Here, I would choose the title source from the supplier to ensure I have titles that match the exact product, and check on exclude Vero brands and exclude restricted keywords to keep the account safe. Alternatively, I can do the same, but instead of uploading the product directly to AutoDS, I can request a CSV and list the items using other methods in my eBay store. This is the definition of working harder, not smarter, don't you think? Now, another great way to boost your sales during Black Friday and Cyber Monday is by running promotions. If you have an eBay store subscription, you have access to this feature. Head over to your Seller Hub and click on Marketing. From here, select Promotions, and you can create various types of discounts, like markdown sales or volume pricing. This encourages buyers to spend more and get great deals. Be sure to apply these promotions to your listings to maximize your sales. Another excellent way to boost your sales and visibility during Black Friday and Cyber Monday is by using promoted listings. This feature is available for even those who don't have a subscription to an eBay store, and it can really give you an edge, especially when you're selling electronics and gift items, which are highly competitive categories during the holiday shopping season. With so many sellers offering similar products, it can be tough to stand out. This is where promoted listings come in handy. When you promote your listings, you're essentially paying for extra visibility on eBay. Your item will appear at the top of the search results or in more prominent locations, making them more likely to be seen. And as we all know, visibility leads to sales. You can choose a promoted listing model where you pay an agreed certain percentage in addition to the eBay selling fees, only for items sold through the promotion. Or a model where you can pay for each click a potential buyer makes on your product ad. Lastly, here's a quick tip that can make your listing stand out. Add a Black Friday or Cyber Monday label directly to your product images. You can use Canva for this as well. For this, you're just going to upload the main image of your product and add a stylish Black Friday label in the corner. This visual cue tells shoppers they're getting a special deal. Once you're done, replace the main image on your eBay listing and you'll instantly grab more attention. And that's it, Zeekers. Now you've got all the tools you need to prepare your eBay store for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. We covered everything from giving your store a fresh, festive look to picking the right electronics and using powerful tools like Zeek Analytics and promoted listings to really boost your visibility and sales. Remember, this is one of the biggest sales opportunities of the year, so make sure your store is ready to shine. Be strategic with your product selection, optimize your listings, and promote your listings to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Whether you're working with a smaller store or have a higher selling limit, there's a ton of potential to grow your business during these events. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed with your eBay business. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with your sales, and I will see you in the next video.